Hey everyone, if you're seeing error message 277 on Roblox or your game keeps disconnecting or crashing, stick around. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple steps to fix this problem. It's a pretty easy issue to resolve, so let's get started. First up, let's change the DNS settings on your computer. This issue is often linked to network problems, and adjusting your DNS can help speed up your internet. Begin by pressing the Windows key and typing Control Panel in the search bar, then click on it to open. Once the Control Panel is open, go to Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center. On the left side, click Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on the network you're connected to and select Properties. In the Properties menu, click on Internet Protocol version for and then Properties again. In the window that appears, where it says Obtain DNS server address automatically, select Use the following DNS server addresses. For the primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8, and for the secondary DNS, enter 8.8.4. Click OK to save your changes. After that, restart Roblox and check if the issue is resolved. If the error persists, the next step is to check your internet speed to make sure it meets Roblox's minimum requirements. Open your browser and visit speedtest.net. Once there, click Go to begin the test. Roblox requires at least 4 Mbps for smooth gameplay. If your download speed is above 4 Mbps, like mine at 14 Mbps, you're good to go and can move on to the next step. Now, let's perform a fresh install of Roblox. Press the Windows key again and search for Programs, then select Add or Remove Programs. In the search box, type Roblox and make sure you click on the Roblox player. Click on the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstall. Once it's removed, head to our roblox.com/download to get the latest version of the app. Click the large download button in the middle of the page. Then go to the downloaded file and follow the steps to reinstall Roblox. After reinstalling, launch Roblox again to see if the error has been fixed. If the issue is still there, the final step is to check if Roblox servers are up and running. Open a browser and type status.roblox.com in the address bar. Here, you should see a message saying everything is operational. If there's an error message instead, it likely means Roblox is experiencing server issues, which could cause the error you're seeing. In this case, you'll just need to wait for Roblox to fix it. I hope this video was helpful. If it solved your issue, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. See you next time.